Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper option, and here we've got 3 different albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So live wallpapers, animated wallpapers of course, and the Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and static wallpapers, which are pre-installed. So let me pick this option, let me tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the options from which we can choose. At the top we've got also my photos, so again you can enter your gallery or recently used. All you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. So let me tap on this one, and as you can see here we've got the preview of the home screen. After tapping on it you can see how it will look like on the lock screen. So what is more, you can simply swipe up in order to change the preview, so you can check all other options you've got in this particular album. And maybe let's pick this one. Here we've got the scroll option, which simply means that after tapping on it, your device will allow you to change the position of the photo of the wallpaper whenever you will change the pages of your home screen. As you can see, it changes the frame a little bit whenever we are scrolling. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. I think I will pick this option, so it will always stay in the one position. Right now we can tap on done, and it will be applied to the home screen, and if you want to apply it also on the lock screen, simply tap on set both. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. We had this information, so we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.